Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, y'all, so my house is a mess. I mean, I was doing good, and then it just caught up with me. So, my table. We get into this today. This is getting done today. Look at that. I got plants, fabric, jars,
even we have
jugs.
When we have a sewing machine.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull out the girl's sewing machine. Look at
Mom, please hurry up and pull
my
it out.
kitchen. Oh girl. Oh girl. I don't know why this cabinet is always, this pantry is always open. Garbage gotta go out. Look at that. Alright, y'all, so come on, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so I am done. Don't worry about those bottles over there. We got an activity we finna do. Done. Feels so good in here. I need to get a rug, y'all, for real. I need to get an area rug. Done. Kitchen is done. That doggone pantry door is always open. Always. Done. Looks so much better. I'm gonna have to do a before and after shot. For real. Look at that. So pretty. You know, I got little stuff here and there that need to be put away. I'm still mopping in there. But for the most part, we are done, y'all. I still gotta go food shopping, and I want to clean out my refrigerator. But I'm gonna do that later. Like, I'm tired. I'm hot and I'm sweating. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as Didi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.